Question about Dhul Hijjah. Are the nights of the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah better than the normal nights? So the greatest nights of the year are the nights of Ramadan, the last 10 days specifically. And with regards to the best days, they are the days of Dhul Hijjah. With regards to the nights of Dhul Hijjah, Allahu Alam, but it seems like there is no significance of the nights of Dhul Hijjah, not like the days of Dhul Hijjah. As Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah, he said that the best nights are the nights of Ramadan, the last 10 nights of the nights of Ramadan. And the best days are the days of Dhul Hijjah. Of course, if a person does acts of worship and acts of ibadah in the night, during these 10 nights of Dhul Hijjah, then of course Allah will reward that person based on their intentions. So of course there's no reason why a person shouldn't, stay awake for tahajjud prayer and, Qiyamul Layl and reciting Quran, etc. Inshallah, if he's able to do so, and Allah will reward the person for that.